Welcome to your Whoop 5.0 Complete Setup Guide. In the next few minutes, we'll go from sealed box to your very first workout. Let's start with what you'll find in the box. You'll have the Whoop band, a battery pack, and a charging cable. That's everything you need. First, charge the battery pack. Plug it into a USB power source using the cable. You'll see a light that shows it's charging. Let it reach a full charge before you move on. While that's charging, grab your phone and download the Whoop app from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app and create your account. You'll be asked for basics like your height, weight, age, and activity level. This helps Whoop personalize your data. Now, let's pair the band. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on in your phone settings. Open the Whoop app and choose to connect a new device. Hold the band close to your phone. The app will search and then show your Whoop 5.0. Tap to pair and wait for the confirmation message. Once paired, slide the charged battery pack onto the top of the band until it clicks into place. The band will start charging on your wrist, so you don't have to take it off. Now put the Whoop on. Place it on your non-dominant wrist, about 2 fingers above the wrist bone. It should feel snug but not tight. If it moves around a lot, it's too loose. Adjust the strap until it stays in place. Open the app again. On the main screen, you'll see your heart rate and battery level. Spend a moment exploring the tabs for strain, recovery, and sleep. You can set your sleep goal, notification preferences, and activity goals right here. Time for your first workout. Before you start moving, wear the band for at least 5 to 10 minutes so the sensor can lock in. In the app, tap to start an activity, then choose your workout type, like running, cycling, or strength training. Hit start and just do your workout as usual. When you're done, end the activity in the app. You'll see your strain score, heart rate, calories, and time spent in different zones. This is the data Whoop uses to coach your recovery and performance. Keep the band on as much as possible, day and night, for the best insights. Slide the battery pack on whenever you need a charge. And if you want to create explainer videos like this one for your own product or brand, head over to vidfactory.ai and make your own animated videos effortlessly.